Hello and welcome to Prepp CBSE. Today we are going to discuss the MCQ questions of chapter Deep Water. Before we start our video, I would like to tell you that if you have not subscribed the channel, then please subscribe it and press the bell icon so that you never miss an update whenever a new video is uploaded. Question number 1. In this chapter, author has talked about A. Fear of losing, B. Fear of death, C. Fear of water, or D. Fear of getting mocked. Correct option is C. Fear of water. Next. Which of the following thing has been called as treacherous? A. YMCA pool, B. Yakima river, C. California beach, or D. New Hampshire. Correct option is B. Yakima river. Next. Why was Douglas determined to overcome his fear of water? A. Because it deprived him from boating and swimming. B. Because he wanted to take part in swimming competition. C. Both A and B, or D. None of the above. Correct option is A. Because it deprived him from boating and swimming. Next. How did Douglas conquer his fear of water? A. With the help of his family, B. With the help of his comrades, C. With the help of an instructor, or D. Both A and B. Correct option is C. With the help of an instructor. Next. Author's aversion to water started at A. YMCA pool, B. California beach, C. New Hampshire, or D. None of the above. Correct option is B. California beach. Next. Douglas imagined that on hitting the bottom he would A. bob to the surface like a cork, B. would come up to the top his water wings, C. would lie flat and float up, or D. shout for help. Correct option is A. bob to the surface like a cork. Next. Who said all we have to fear is fear itself? A. Roosevelt, B. Douglas, C. Instructor, or D. None of the above. Correct option is A. Roosevelt. Next. What does deep water signify? A. Get into serious trouble, B. Get out of problems, C. To purify water, or D. Depth of an ocean. Correct option is A. Get into serious trouble. Next. Now you can swim. These words were spoken by A. Douglas's father, B. Uncle, C. Teacher, or D. Instructor. Correct option is D. Instructor. Next. Yakima river was treacherous because it was A. It was deep, B. It had whales, or C. was narrow, or D. was shallow. Correct option is A. It was deep. Next. After swimming across warm lake, Douglas shouted with joy and his voice was returning as an echo by A. Gilbert Peak, B. Everest Peak, C. Alpes, D. Blue Mountains. Correct option is A. Gilbert Peak. Next. Every time Douglas attempted to go inside water, his legs would A. be shaky, B. make him run, C. help him keep afloat, or D. be paralyzed. Correct option is D. be paralyzed. Next. Douglas's screams in the water were A. very clear, B. very strong, C. very enchanting, or D. frozen. Correct option is D. frozen. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel, press the bell icon and never miss an update.